We all have dreams, we all have desires. These aspirations drive us forward, giving us purpose and direction in life. But sometimes our own minds hold us back. We create invisible walls that prevent us from reaching our full potential. We may not even realize it. These barriers are often subtle, hidden deep within our subconscious. These unseen barriers can manifest as clutter in our homes. The physical chaos around us is a reflection of the mental clutter we carry. Our physical spaces reflect our inner state. A cluttered room can signify a cluttered mind, filled with unresolved thoughts and emotions. To achieve our dreams, we must first clear the path. This means not only organizing our physical space, but also addressing the mental barriers we face. Take a moment to reflect. Sit in silence and listen to your inner voice. What do you truly desire? What are the dreams that set your soul on fire? What is holding you back? Identify the obstacles, both physical and mental, that stand in your way. Are you surrounded by clutter? This clutter is more than just untidiness. It represents stagnant energy that needs to be released. Clutter is more than just untidiness. It represents stagnant energy. It can drain your motivation and keep you stuck in a cycle of procrastination. It symbolizes procrastination and fear. These emotions can paralyze us, making it difficult to move forward. It's time to break free. Begin by decluttering your space one step at a time. Start by acknowledging the connection between your mind and your environment. Understand that a clear space can lead to a clear mind. When you clear your space, you clear your mind. This act of decluttering can be a powerful first step towards personal transformation. It's a powerful first step towards transformation. Embrace the journey ahead. Allow yourself to grow and evolve, free from the barriers that once held you back. Old items carry energy. This energy can be positive or negative. Broken items in particular hold negative energy. They represent unfinished business. Holding on to them keeps us stuck in the past. This prevents us from moving forward. Think about the broken items in your home: a chipped cup, a torn shirt, a malfunctioning appliance. These items serve no purpose. They drain your energy. It's time to let them go. When you release these items, you create space for something new. You invite positive energy into your life. Remember, letting go of physical objects is symbolic. It allows us to let go of emotional baggage too. This is a powerful step towards attracting your desires. Our closets are often the biggest culprits of clutter. They become a chaotic mix of the old and the new, the wanted and the unwanted. They become repositories for clothes we no longer wear, items that have lost their place in our daily lives. Clothes that no longer fit, either physically or emotionally, take up valuable space. Clothes that hold memories, both good and bad, linger in the corners of our closets. While these items may have sentimental value, they can also weigh us down, creating a sense of overwhelm. Take a deep breath and open your closet doors. This is the first step towards transformation. Hold each item in your hand. Feel its texture, remember its story. Ask yourself, does this spark joy? Does it add value to your life? If it doesn't, thank the item for its service and let it go. Release it with gratitude. Donate it to someone who might need it. Sell it to give it a new life. Or simply discard it if it's beyond use. Remember, letting go of clothes is not about forgetting the past. It's about honoring it and moving forward. It's about creating space for the future, for new experiences and new memories. When you clear out your closet, you create space for new opportunities, for growth and change. You invite abundance and possibility into your life. A clean, organized space can lead to a clear, focused mind. The kitchen is the heart of the home. It's where we nourish ourselves and our loved ones. But even this space can become cluttered with unused gadgets, expired food, and mismatched containers. This clutter disrupts the natural flow of energy. Begin by clearing out your pantry. Discard expired items and donate anything you no longer use. Then, move on to your cupboards and drawers. Organize your dishes, cookware, and utensils. Keep only what you use and love. A clean and organized kitchen promotes a sense of peace and well-being. It allows you to cook and eat with joy. It also invites abundance and prosperity into your life. Remember, the kitchen is a sacred space. Treat it with respect and care. Section 5, Garden of Renewal, nurturing growth and letting go. Our outdoor spaces are also extensions of our homes. A cluttered yard or balcony can block the flow of positive energy. Overgrown plants, broken furniture, and unused tools can all contribute to a sense of stagnation. Take some time to clear out your yard. Trim back overgrown plants. Dispose of broken furniture. Organize your gardening tools. Create a space that feels open and inviting. A well-maintained garden is a place of peace and tranquility. It's a place where you can connect with nature and recharge your energy. As you tend to your garden, you also tend to your soul. You create a space that nurtures growth and renewal. Section 6. Memories in the heart, not in the house. Honoring the past, embracing the present. Letting go of items from deceased loved ones can be particularly difficult. These items hold precious memories. However, clinging to too many possessions can prevent us from healing and moving forward. Choose a few items that spark joy and hold special meaning. Display them in a way that honors your loved one's memory. Let go of the rest with love and gratitude. Remember, true memories reside in our hearts, not in material possessions. By letting go of some items, you create space for healing and new beginnings. You honor your loved one's memory by living your life to the fullest. Section 7, Clarity and Calm. The transformative power of a clutter-free home. Once you've decluttered your home, you'll likely experience a profound sense of peace. This is the power of a clean and organized environment. It promotes clarity, focus, and a sense of control. Without clutter competing for your attention, you'll find it easier to relax and unwind. You'll sleep better. You'll be more productive. You'll have more time for the things you love. A clutter-free home is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It's a sanctuary. It's a space where you can recharge your energy and connect with your true self. Section 8. Sensory delights, inviting harmony with scent and greenery. To further enhance the positive energy in your home, incorporate sensory elements like scent and greenery. Pleasant scents and the presence of nature can work wonders for your well-being. Use essential oil diffusers, scented candles, or fresh flowers to create a calming and uplifting atmosphere. Introduce plants into your home to enhance the ambiance. They purify the air and bring a touch of the outdoors in, making your space feel alive. These small touches can make a big difference in how you feel in your space. They create a sense of harmony and well-being, enhancing your daily life. This, in turn, can help you attract more positivity into your life and surroundings. Section 9. The Law of Attraction in Action. Aligning your space with your desires. This is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating an environment that nurtures your goals and dreams. The law of attraction suggests that we attract what we focus on. Our thoughts and feelings are powerful magnets. If we focus on negativity and lack, we'll attract more of the same. A cluttered space can often reflect a cluttered mind. But if we focus on positivity and abundance, we'll attract those things into our lives. A clean, organized space can help foster a positive mindset. Our homes are powerful reflections of our thoughts and beliefs. They can either support or hinder our journey towards our desires. By creating a clean, organized, and harmonious living space, we send a clear message to the universe. We are saying that we are ready and open to receive our desires. Visualize your desires. Write them down. This act of writing helps to solidify your intentions and make them more tangible. Create a vision board and place it in a prominent location in your home. This serves as a daily reminder of what you are working towards. Surround yourself with images and objects that represent what you want to attract. These visual cues can help keep your mind focused on your goals and aspirations. Section 10. From Chaos to Clarity. A journey of self-discovery. The process of clearing clutter is not just about creating a beautiful home. It's a journey of self-discovery. As you go through your belongings, you'll be forced to confront your attachments. You'll learn to let go of what no longer serves you. This process can be challenging at times, but it's also incredibly liberating. As you clear out your physical space, you'll also clear out mental and emotional baggage. This will free you to create a life that is more aligned with your true self. Embrace the journey. Be patient with yourself. And remember, the rewards are well worth the effort. Section 11. Creating a life you love, one intention at a time. Transforming your space is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a sanctuary. It's about creating a life you love and cherish. It's about aligning your environment with your deepest desires and aspirations. It's about inviting joy, abundance, and positivity into every aspect of your existence. Start today. Take a look around your home and notice the details. Identify one area you want to declutter, set an intention, and take action. Remember, you are worthy of a beautiful and harmonious living space. You are capable of creating a life you love and deserve. One intention, one action, one cleared space at a time, leading to a life transformed.